Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is called Stretch You Out by Summer Walker. Okay? Let's start. Alright, let's start from the beginning. So from here, we need to wait someone. Can we start now? Alright. So we need to move back a little bit to the back, yeah, not to the side, to the back. 6, then right to the back, 6, 7, shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, go 7, 8, 1. One more time, let's do it slowly. 5, 6, 7, and slow. Sorry, I forgot 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, brush, 8, go 1, 2, 3, snap on 4, then right 5, look to your left 6, down 7, and 8. Alright? One more time. From the beginning, 2 8s, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, snap on 4, right, click to the left, down 7, and 8. Good job. Next, from here you're gonna drag your right, going to your left. Goes like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then hits right, 5, left 6, 7, click right up on 8. So 8. Alright, one more time. From here, 5, 6, 7, drag it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try 1, 2, third 8. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, right to the left, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, hit 5, 6, 7. Good job. Next, we're gonna walk front slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. But on 3, 4, you're gonna cross hand, cover your ear, straight. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, go side. 5, 6, 7, drop on 8. Alright, basically 8 here. Sorry. One more time. Noisy. 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Your hand here. One last time to make sure. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, here. Next, go to your left. 1, close on 2. Go to your right. 3, close and 4. Then step to your left. 5, and drop on 6. Then look. That's 7, 8. You got that one? Huh? Let's start from the beginning. Wait. Let's do this from here first. So 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? From the beginning. Here we go. On 5, 6, 7, and shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, click 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, slow, 5, fast, 7, and side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Alright, next one. For this one, we're gonna go floor. So here, 7, 8, down on 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3, 4, then grab 5, 6, arch 7, that's on 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then up on 5, 6, drop on 7, open 8, and pause. That's it. But let's try one more time. So here, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and walk out, go home. Yes! Good job! Alright, let's try from the beginning. Are you ready? Louder? Yes! Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, click, 5, 6, down, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, open 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and walk out. Yeah! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comments, okay? We'll see you soon. Bye-bye! Merry Christmas!